Did you know that the world's first 3D printed commercial building stands in Dubai, stretching out over 2,000 square feet? That's right, a testament to the rapid evolution of 3D printing technology in the construction industry. This technology, once a figment of science fiction, now forms the backbone of many modern construction projects. Traditionally, construction has been a labor-intensive process, involving a plethora of materials, long hours, and a significant workforce. From laying the foundation to erecting walls, every step is a carefully coordinated ballet of man and machine. But despite the precision and expertise, traditional construction methods carry inherent challenges. They require vast amounts of resources, contribute to environmental degradation, and often come with costly overruns. Enter the revolutionary world of 3D printing. This technology, initially popularized for creating small, intricate designs in the manufacturing industry, has scaled up in a big way. We're talking about massive printers that use a specially formulated concrete mix, meticulously layering it to build structures from the ground up. Unlike traditional construction, 3D printing in the building industry is an additive process. It builds structures layer by layer, reducing waste and saving resources. It's like baking a cake, where you add ingredients gradually, rather than carving it out from a larger block of material. And it's not just about being eco-friendly. 3D printing in construction offers an unprecedented level of design flexibility. Complex geometries and unique architectural features, challenging or impossible to achieve with traditional methods, become feasible with 3D printing. It's like having an artist's freedom with an engineer's precision, a perfect blend of form and function. But what's most exciting is the speed. A 3D printer can work round the clock, unaffected by weather or daylight conditions. Imagine a building shell materializing in just a few days, instead of several months. It's a game changer, isn't it? Now, it's not to say that 3D printing will replace traditional construction methods overnight. It's a young technology, with its own set of challenges. For instance, building regulations haven't quite caught up with 3D printing. There's also the question of durability and longevity of 3D printed structures. But these are exciting problems, waiting for innovative solutions. The world of 3D printing and construction is a fascinating one, brimming with potential. It's a space where innovation meets practicality, where imagination takes physical form. It's a realm where we can reimagine the way we build our world. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, an architect, or just someone curious about the future, delve into the world of 3D printing and construction. Read about it, talk about it, immerse yourself in it. Because this is not just a trend, it's the dawn of a new era in construction. It's the future unfolding in front of us, one layer at a time.